Hi, my name is Ludas Butkus, and in this episode of Waterhodl, I want to do a review of CoinMetro. They want to create a cryptocurrency exchange site. If you're thinking, yeah, that's just another cryptocurrency exchange, we don't need one of those, well, you're quite wrong. If you remember when Bitcoin reached its all-time high, there was a huge interest in cryptocurrencies, and most of the exchanges were experiencing lags and they just could not handle the traffic. So yeah, there's still room for more exchanges, and the crypto market is still growing and growing at a rapid pace, so there will be room for more and more exchange sites. And CoinMetro is not just another cryptocurrency exchange, it's actually quite unique. For me, one of the main selling points is that the team behind CoinMetro is the same for FxPig. So this is their main business, their main Forex Brokerage site. So they already have experience in stuff like that, so that's very good. And in my opinion, if Forex Brokerage isn't that much different from a cryptocurrency exchange. So they're not just developers with an idea trying to raise funds and create something. They already have experience in this field. The main feature for me in CoinMetro is that they will have fiat in their exchange. So right now they already have a license in Georgia. They will also looking forward for one in Estonia and another one in Asia. So they will be fully compliant and ready to accept fiat money in the exchange, which is not that many exchange sites allow. Next, they will also have a ICO platform where they will vet the ICOs and offer them for their members to participate in, and obviously you will also be able to invest fiat because they will have the licenses. And after the ICO, the token will be immediately liquid in the platform. Next, they will also have these kind of investment funds or index funds of cryptocurrencies. So if you don't want to do your own research, you will be able to diversify in cryptocurrencies by investing in one of these funds based on a risk or based on the niche of these cryptos. For example, in privacy coins, maybe finance coins, or in Internet of Things, stuff like that. You will also be able to invest into traders. So this is quite popular in Forex brokerages, where you just copy the trades of a successful investor. So quite similarly, this will be able in CoinMetro as well. So, but the financing is a bit different. So the manager of the funds will issue a token, which you will then buy it, and based on its performance of the trader, the token value might increase or decrease, and this is how you make money. So these are the main features, and it's going to be a very professional exchange site, and it's definitely going to be a pretty big one. So yeah, next let's look at the ICO details. So right now they have already generated enough money for their minimum investment that they were looking for, which is 5 million, and this was generated in the pre-ICO. So in the main ICO will start in 28 days, and the price will start at 11 cents and it will rise up to 15 if enough tokens will be sold. So their goal is to sell out 300 million tokens. Okay, so next, the roadmap. They are planning to launch their beta in March. Exchange beta launch in March. This roadmap is quite inconvenient. Their coin, it will be starting to trade at their own exchange in April. It's quite inconvenient, though it looks quite fun. And more development will follow in June. So the development starts quite fast. So the distribution of the tokens, 50% for initial coin offering and 10% public presale. So basically 60% of the tokens will be held by the public, which is really quite good. And what is the value of the token? Well, they will have a 20% of their revenue spent in a fund which will burn a portion of the tokens and provide liquidity for the token. Overall, the token will help to decrease the fees. It's quite similar model to Binance. So overall, the price of the token is expected to increase. But actually, yeah, it's determined by the market, but by the burning there will be less of the tokens, and it's just the supply and demand thing. Okay, so what's next? They will also are planning to have a card where you can spend your balance, a debit card for the crypto generation, and they also already have experience with that because they have implemented this in their FxPig. There will also be margin trading, which not too many exchanges allow. You can have a 1 to 50 margin or leverage. You will also be able to lend your tokens. If you are a long-term investor, you can just lend them to people who want to short the market. So basically they will have most of the functions that exchanges have, but usually some of the functions are available on one exchange, some are on other, and here you will have basically everything on one exchange. So yeah, it's pretty good. The team is basically all the people from the FxPig team. It's quite weird that they're using these cartoon faces instead of pictures. And yeah, that's basically it. The site looks pretty good in my opinion. All these animations, and they are also all about transparency. They show how much of everything they have collected, how much has been contributed for the pre-sale right now, and it will update in the ICO. So yeah, I think I covered most of the stuff. Yeah, so the ICO starts in 28 days, and I think it has the chance to sell out. There's quite a bit of hype about this, and it seems a pretty good project. So this is it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.